Okay. Good afternoon, dear students.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay. So first of all,
Good afternoon, ma'am.
mute your audio.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay. Now I don't want one by one to greet me. I can understand. Okay. So let Pooja. Pooja, unmute. Pooja, unmute. Okay. Can you tell me? hmm, Uh, in the previous class, what we discussed about?
We
What?
discuss
We
about skeletal muscles,
Okay.
smooth muscles,
Okay.
cardiac or heart muscle.
Okay. These all are the three different types of muscles where we can see them. What are their functions? These all things we learned about it, right? Only about that one. Only we learned about that thing.
No,
Then what we learned? Yes. Yes. Tell me. Pooja, tell me. We learned only about different types of muscles in last class.
no.
Then what we learned in yesterday, no? Yesterday was that class.
Function of cardiac and heart muscle,
Okay, muscular system. Functions
muscular,
of muscular
muscular
system.
system.
Okay, functions of muscular system. That also we learned. No? Okay, very good. Mute it. Okay, very good. So you all are remembering it. I hope all are remembering about it. Now, after that we learn how we can keep our muscles. Amen. 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 Mute it. Mute it. Okay. Mute it.
Ma'am?
Okay. So, in yesterday, did we discuss how we can keep our muscles strong?
Yes.
Okay. We discussed about how we can keep our muscles strong by doing
Exercise.
Okay, exercise. By doing exercise, then by doing exercise, then
Stretching.
very good. By stretching our muscles. Okay, our body parts. Very good. Then
Eating healthy foods.
very good. Eating healthy food. Okay. Then if we eat healthy food, along with it, what also we want to do?
Drink water.
Drink lot of water. Okay, if we do these all things, we can also form a healthy muscle. We can also make our muscles very strong. Okay, today, so these all things we are learning about muscles. Now we have to learn about the injuries. Injuries related to muscles. Okay, today in this class we have to learn injuries related to muscles. Okay, I think Siddha, injuries related to muscles. First one, just imagine Abhishek, just Aromal. So, injuries means just imagine you are just you took part in a running race during our school athletic meet. During our school athletic meet, sports day, you just participated in a running race. You took your full energy to get first place, right? That day or the very next day morning, what you will feel on your legs? Can anybody say it? What you
Paining. Paining.
well, your legs will get very pain, right?
Yes.
That is because your legs muscles have stretched or used it too much. You have used your legs muscle too much. That is why it gets strained. Understood? That is why your muscles get pain. Understood? It is a very good example, right? I think almost all of you felt it. When you participated in a running race, or if you do any, if you are writing too much, in a one day you wrote too much things, your hands will get pain. If you run too much, your legs will get pain. These all are because these muscles have stretch. These muscles have stretched or used too much. Because of that, your muscle gets pain. That is called strain. That is called strain.
Strain.
Strain. Strain. I will show the notes also. So,
Ma'am, we want to write.
no dear, I will show one note. Okay, in that everything is done. So the injury first we learned is strain. Strain. Okay. What is strain? When a muscle has stretched or used too much without rest. When a muscle has stretched or used too much without any rest, it causes strain on our muscles. Is it clear? Is
Yes.
it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So, whenever you feel some pain on your legs or on your hands, you just think what you did the previous day, any extraordinary work did you do that day? Think about it. Okay, sometimes you may, sometimes you might have done something uh, that makes your muscle get stretched. Okay. So what we can do for this? How we can reduce this pain? How we can reduce this strain?
By
How we
warm
can?
up.
By doing warm up. Prayag, by doing warm up. If it is so much pain, we can apply an ice pack to the affected area. Ice pack means to take some ice cubes in a plastic cover or in a cloth and keep it on the place where you feel pain. Understood? That is the ice pack. What is the treatment for strain? We can apply ice pack to the affected area. Ice pack. What is ice? What is an ice pack? Take some ice cube in a cloth piece or in a plastic cover and keep it on the affected area for some time. So your muscles, that the pain sort is reduced. Okay. Next one, next injury to our legs are, our muscles are cramp. I think this also you had felt it. Cramp means, and when during the cold season, when you sleep at night and all, suddenly your legs get pain, right? Something pulling like feeling.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
something pulling one leg or your arm. It is mostly felt in the legs. Understood? During
ma'am.
cold season, if you are sleeping at night and all, suddenly you may feel a pain on your leg muscle. That is called cramp. You might have seen some football players or some cricket players, and they will fall on the ground because of this pain by keeping their legs like so. Suddenly the doctor will come and will massage on their legs. Did you notice this? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you
Yes.
notice this? During the football match or during the cricket plays and all, you can see suddenly, without any reason, that player will take his leg and will fall. Suddenly, that doctor will come and massage on that affected area. Then he will become all. He will become okay. Understood? Aditi, Aditi,
Yes, ma'am.
why you are making sound?
Ma'am, I didn't make it.
You haven't muted. You mute that. Mute it. Mute it. Okay. Say, okay. So that is called cramp. Cramp is also a painful tightening of a muscle happens suddenly. Cramp means it is a painful tightening of a muscle happens suddenly. What is the treatment for this cramp? What is the treatment for this cramp?
Massage.
Massage.
You have to massage.
Okay.
Massage.
You have to. Sometimes your
Ma'am can't hear properly.
uh, who can't hear properly?
Ma'am, I can hear.
Okay, everybody can hear, Moni. Everybody can hear. See, you just check it about your on your device. Okay, everybody can hear. Okay, so maybe some network issues. You have to rectify it. Okay, so this one. Cramp. Cramp is a painful tightening of a muscle happens suddenly if we are not drinking enough water. That is the reason for this cramp. The players, when they played under a hot sun, the water content in their body will lose. At that time, the muscles become tight. That is very painful. Let me ask, do you feel this? Do you feel this cramp any day?
Yes.
Who is saying that? Who is saying?
Angelina.
Angelina. Okay,
Angelina Martin.
And another who it is? Pranav.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what your parent will do? They will come and massage on that place, right? Am I right? Mostly cramps are felt in legs.
Ma'am, I have only get on legs.
Legs. Okay. You have to drink a lot of water to avoid this. Another one is bruise. Bruise is the name of another injury. It is commonly happen to us, happen in us, right? When we hit on a hard substance, when we hit on a table or on the walls. I think last year some of you might have got it. When we hit on the walls, it will get very painful, right? Suddenly it will swell up. That part will swell up. And sometimes it becomes reddish. And we can't move our leg. It will be very painful if we move our body part that time. That is called bruise. Bruise happen if our body hits any hard object. The area swells up. That is the
What's meaning of swells up?
swells up means it will become big in size. That part will become big in size. Swells up means it comes up. Okay, it comes up. I hope you understood it. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Hit on a wall hardly. If you hit on a wall hardly, or if your head hit on somewhere, see you can see some swelling. You can feel there some swelling.
Yes.
Yes.
Zaim, Zaim, is there any swellings are there now?
Yes, ma'am. I have gotten
How many?
one.
Whose it is? Okay. So this swells up and swells up. Sometimes it becomes reddish in color. And not only that, we will feel very pain. We can't move that part. Understood? Sometimes some bonds will get break holes. Okay, that is another thing. So bruise means when it becomes reddish in color, swellings. This all can happen to the muscles. We can treat this bruise by using some bandage. We can use some bandage over the over the affected area. Okay, so don't talk. Everybody should mute your audio. Okay, Saurav, switch on your video. Amin, mute your audio. Okay, so
Ma'am?
yes, who wants to talk?
Uh,
Angelina.
Yes, ma'am. Can you say the spelling of these injuries?
Yes, sure. Okay, I want to show the notes. Okay, I will show you. So these are the main injuries related to muscles. Okay, these are the main injuries related to muscles. Let me share the screen. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, mute your audio. Everybody should mute your audio. Okay. Let me take my this one folder. Okay. Okay. Okay, can you see the screen? Can you see a screen?
Yes.
Yes.
It's written something on that, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Muscular system.
Okay. Let me move it. Okay. Ah. Okay. Can you see? Is it moving?
Yes.
Okay. What you want? You want the spelling of the 3 injuries. Am I right?
Yes.
I will show you. I think everybody can see this board.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. See, can you see the word stretch?
Yes.
Stretch.
Yes.
What is the color of that word?
All body parts every day. It improves
Okay.
the
Okay. I didn't ask anybody
Ma'am,
to read it. I asked you to don't write anything. Don't write anything. Just listen. Just listen. Can you see the stretch?
Yes.
Is it in green color?
Yes.
No. Blue.
Yes.
Okay. Some highlight the color. The word it is highlighted. Am I right?
Yes.
So I am going to read the spelling. Okay. Everybody mute your audio. Saurav, where you are going? Saurav, where you are going? Sit. Take you. Okay. Aditi, mute your audio. Sita, mute your audio. Angelina, switch on the video. Edwin Sanji, switch on the video. Okay. So can you see the spelling? S-T-R-E-T-C-H. Stretch. How will you pronounce stretch?
Yes, ma'am.
S-T-R-E-T-C-H. Stretch. Stretch all. Sorry, this is another thing, right? Injuries related to muscles. Okay. This is the. Okay. Injuries related to muscle. Can you see this? Okay, strain, cramp, bruise.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, strain, cramp, bruise. These are the three main injuries to our muscles. Strain, S-T-R-A-I-N, strain. When muscle has been stretched or used too much without rest, it causes muscle strain. Okay? I hope everybody understood it. Okay? Angelina Rose, Prayag, Siana, switch on your video. Switch on it. So why everybody switched off? Prayag. Okay. Can you see this board? Afam, can you see this board? Afam. You can't see that. I think you are facing some Wi-Fi problems, right? Okay. So I will send the notes. Okay. Strain, cramp, C-R-A-M-P, cramp. Next one, bruise. Okay, B-R-U-I-S-E.
Ma'am, bruise means what?
Sorry.
Bruise means what, ma'am?
See, when you hit hard on a subject, sorry, or when you hit hard on a any substance, what will happen? If that portion will swells up.
Oh, we will get swelling, ma'am.
Swelling, it become red in color. Movement become very hard on that place. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that is.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that is called bruise. Okay. So these three are common injuries to our this one. So can I now our chapter is over. Okay. I explained about muscular system, different types of muscles.
Injuries.
Okay, different types of muscles, their functions, how to keep our muscles healthy, then the injuries, main injuries to our muscles. Now, we can
Ma'am, you will
solve.
send the notes.
Surely. Now we can do some workbook works. Okay. The coming days means Saturday. Sometimes we have this science period. At that time, you have to keep your workbook with you. Okay. You have to keep the workbook with you.
Ma'am, if you don't have workbook, what we will
Okay,
do,
if
ma'am?
you don't have the workbook, see how I showed some notes in the screen. Please say I will show some questions and its answers.
Okay.
Others can write it down. If you are not getting
Ma'am,
enough
we
time,
should write the pen, right? In the workbook.
pen. You can use pen. Okay. So, Saurav, mute
Yes.
your audio. So those have the workbook, they can write it using pen on it. Okay.
Okay.
So, do you have any doubt regarding this chapter?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Everything is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Everything is clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am?
So, okay, yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
what is the treatment of bruises?
Bruise. The treatment for bruise is we can use some bandage. Okay.
Bandage,
We can
okay.
use some bandage over it. Okay. After 2-3 days, it will reduce and it will. There won't be any problem with that. So let me ask some questions based on this. Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Afam sit in a place where you get the Wi-Fi, net connection. You have to try it and to find out the place before the class, not during the class. Okay. Just discuss this with your parents. Okay. Let me ask some questions based on it. Okay. Name the muscle. From the first onwards, I want to read it. Okay. Okay. Name the muscles which are attached to the bones. I will ask, name the muscles which are attached to the bones. Let me ask you, Angelina Rose. Angelina Rose.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Skeletal muscle.
Okay, very good. Skeletal muscle. Okay. Another question. Another question to Aromal. Oh, feeling very sleepy. Aromal. Dash muscles are found on the walls of internal organs. Dash muscles are found on the walls of internal organs. Which type of muscle? Pavan. Pavan is raising hand. Pavan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you answer it?
Yes, ma'am.
Then tell the answer.
Smooth muscle.
Very good, Pavan. Okay. So, Aromal, which is the muscle that found on the walls of internal organ? Smooth muscle.
muscle.
Okay. Be attentive. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So now I think I can finish today's class.
Yes, ma'am.
Next class onwards, you have to give the workbook with. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Today also I will send the notes.
Mm.
Okay? You can do it.
Ma'am.
But
We should write in the workbook.
if you have the workbook, you have to write the, you have to do that work. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. So, bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.